how to see download history on Google Play Store. This tutorial shows you how to view all your previously downloaded and installed apps on the Play Store. First, launch the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Next, the Play Store homepage will appear with featured apps and games. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a menu will appear with various account options. Moving forward, tap on Manage Apps and Device from the menu list. Afterwards, you'll see an overview of your app storage and updates. In addition to that, tap on the Manage tab at the top to view your apps. Once this page opens, you'll see all your currently installed applications. Subsequently, look for the Installed drop-down menu at the top of the list. Moreover, tap on the drop-down to see different filtering options. Afterwards, select Not Installed to view apps you've downloaded previously but removed. Then, you'll see a complete list of apps you've downloaded in the past. Within this section, you can scroll through your entire download history. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to find specific apps quickly. Once you've found an app, you can tap on it to reinstall if needed. Then, tap on the Install button to download it again to your device. Afterwards, you can switch back to Installed to see your current apps. Then, you now have access to your complete Google Play Store download history. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you see your download history on Google Play Store, give it a like. Subscribe for more Play Store tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.